Namaste, future doctors. Welcome to NEET Guidance. This presentation is specially for aspirants who have already decided to take a drop for this year and repeat for next year and finally achieving a dream of becoming a doctor. Yes, what is the strategy to be followed from then to score above 360, 350 marks? Yes, it is a subject that will be dealt with a matter with the three subjects physics, chemistry, and biology. Come, let us have a quick look. What are the mistakes some students do during preparation and how that can be overcome? And what are the methods or students should upgrade at their level so that they can ace well in the exam and reach their targets and achieve their goals or dreams so that they will be a doctor one day, that is the next year. Come, let us have a quick look on each individual subjects, starting with physics. Yes, most of the students find difficulty in physics. What is the main reason? Yes, physics is a subject which is a application based subjects. It needs more rigorous preparation, like 4 to 5 hours a study in a day, and complete consistency in studies, and repeating the synopsis day by day. There should be a consistency in studies. Yes, how to score in trying to score 150 plus in physics. Most of the students will score like very well in chemistry and biology, but their marks are not up to the mark in physics. Even though they study for 4 to 5 hours, their marks are up to the marks of range of 50 or 60 or totally rounding up to 70. Yes, this is the main lagging behind the matter of concern with the physics. Students need to be upgraded marks in physics so that their whole sum will be upgraded to high level like 650 plus marks. What are the tips to be followed for physics? Physics, yeah, as this is a basic step, still initial days there is a lot of time for NEET 2020-22. Students should start preparing their goal from with a new platform or strategy. They should make some changes during preparation. Like the physics is mainly synopsis based subject. At least they should revise the synopsis daily, and the large amount of MCQ should be solved daily. And even though they have a consistency in studies, there will be some lagging behind. This is the problem during examination. The main important thing is that during preparation, equal priority should be given to the three subjects. Some students will study only chemistry and biology, physics is left with last. During preparation, these are the problems. And with left to chemistry, how to score 160 plus in chemistry. Most of the time, NCERT is the main master copy for chemistry, like organic chemistry or inorganic chemistry. But what is the question with physical chemistry? Physical chemistry need to be studied very rigorous preparation should be there for it, and some are synopsis based questions, and it needs a rigorous preparation, and more MCQ preparation is very absolutely necessary. And comes with biology, how to score 350 marks in biology. The only main thing in biology is that reading NCERT as many times as possible. Even though question 5 to 10 questions are out of the syllabus, don't worry, minimum at least from last, if you are able to solve for 80 questions, it will be a more helpful for you to score 350 marks, 350 plus marks. As there are choices in the part B and part A, don't waste time in choosing the uh, choosing. Don't waste time in choosing the questions. These are the problems faced during preparation. How to overcome these problems? Yes, there should be for physics. There should be a rigorous preparation. Means at least for minimum at least 1 hour should be kept reservation for studying synopsis of previous weeks. For chemistry, there should be a complete revision of at least 1 hour for all the reagents and organic chemicals like organic chemistry reagents, and for inorganic chemistry some minimum to 1 to 2 hours study should be there. And for biology, daily there should be minimum 2 to 3 hours of revision period. This is excluding from daily studies so that earlier things will not be forgotten. And what are the problems faced during examination hall? Examination during attempting the paper. During attempting the paper, most of the students fix their borderline to complete biology within 50 minutes, but chemistry in 50 minutes. But at last they will give time for physics. So what is the main reason is that so most of the students will be in a mindset to score full marks in biology, but what if paper comes difficult? If instead of completing within 40 minutes, the time may take up to 1 hour, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes. Then comes with chemistry, and totally physics is left with last. So this is the main reason where physics will be dealt with the least time, and even though students know the answers, they will be not able to give their full performance in exam. So how to deal with problem? What may be the subject, enter the exam all with a fresh minded. Don't be worry about the consequences of the result of the exam. Firstly, after entering the exam, please meditate yourself and calm yourself. Start the paper with easy subject. That is, start with biology only. Have a quick round of through all the questions. Means start with the question number one. Starting with a question. If it is some tricky questions or some sort of tricky questions is there, don't answer that question. Go to next question. In the same way, even though if when you complete to try to complete the paper within 1 hour, whole paper. There will be some easy questions in all the subjects, so that all the three papers will be in your hand, and you will know you'll get to know what is the level of paper. And in a second hour also try to complete to biology and chemistry, and in third hour go for physics, complete it, and your confidence will level be upgrading very well, so that your mind will very quickly work for you. And these are the main important points. I think these are the some important tricks, and even though it is from my side, it is a aspirant who will put it through hard work and excel in exam. So work hard, achieve your dreams. Thank you. Good luck for your future.